Department of Management, BITS Pilani. Aspects for choosing BITS Pilani.
BITS Pilani is one of the most renowned education institutes in the country. Management education of BITS Pilani is imparted thoughtfully through a balanced mix of teaching pedagogy. Lectures are accompanied by case studies through all the courses that enhances the students' analytical, logical, and decision-making skills. Guest lectures are conducted on a regular basis to keep the students updated with the current industry. The unique feature of the BITS MBA program is the 6-month practice school or the dissertation program. In the 6-month practice school, the students get to work in real-time projects on reputed companies with the possibility of getting a pre-placement offer. BITS MBA program also provides the teaching assistantship program that helps the students financially, that provides a good ROI in terms of fees and placements.
About BITS Library.
The BITS Pilani Library has a collection of over 500,000 of books, which includes journal titles, books, and electronic resources, which includes database, journals, and ebooks. It is a completely air-conditioned library which has a room for up to 8,000 students, which includes the IT workspace also. These ebooks and journals can be accessed by the students and the faculties very easily through the BITS Pilani Library portal. The ambience here inside the library is really peaceful and provides a great place to study.
Experience after coming to the campus.
So yes, now we are on campus from our Google Meets. As we all know, MBA is known for its theoretical as well as practical learning, and it's difficult to imagine it without the face-to-face interactions with faculties and peers in campus. Being on campus, in class with 60 other students ensures not only the reduced screen time, but also the generation of multiple ideas. Interactions and the case study discussions have drastically increased with faculties, allowing for more clarity of thoughts and the theories. With offline mode, the group dynamics of the students have also significantly improved. As we all know about the BITS and its infrastructure, it is supportive of both academia as well as the extracurriculars. There is a huge support for a BITS library, entrepreneurship cell, students activity center, shopping centers, and other facilities which ensures the pleasant environment for learning and provides a plethora of opportunities for students to enhance their capabilities and also develop new skills and thereby a memorable experience for life.
The most unique place at BITS Pilani.
The Saraswati temple is one of the most beautiful places the campus has got. The moment I enter this place, it feels so calm and peaceful. Every part of this temple is made of white marble, which symbolizes peace, and you find it everywhere here. The temple not only has idols of gods, but it also has sculptures of various philosophers and scientists. This place gives us a homely feeling, and that's why we love to come here.
Extracurricular activities.
We have an annual fest interface conducted by the Department of Management, wherein we have various activities and competitions conducted by the multiple clubs and committees. The institute also has a student activity center where the students interested in cultural activities like music and dance can practice. SAC also has a gym for the fitness enthusiast. Yoga and martial art classes are given to every student, and we have a swimming pool for the beginners and expert swimmers.
Hangout places inside the campus.
So apart from the mess, the campus has various tuffies located near the hostel and also Looters. Looters has a very good ambience to chill out with our friends, and it offers different cuisines of food. There are several shops selling groceries, medicines, food items and clothing located in a marketplace called CP, Connaught Place. After class hours, you can find us having a group meets and club meets in these places. You can find us chilling, relaxing with our friends, enjoying the food during our club meets and group meets. The campus also has a Javed Habib outlet for hairstyling located near the girls' hostel.
COVID protocols inside the hostels.
On campus arrival, post-COVID, we were isolated in a different building for a period of 3 days.
Basic amenities like food, water, drinks were given to us at our doorstep. Post-COVID test and after the results were declared, we were allowed to go out of the hostel premises. The hostel life at BITS is quite amazing. We have single occupancy as well as double occupancy rooms which are well equipped with internet facilities. We have a common provision for water purifier, geysers. The mess food is quite amazing here. We have a variety of options and the menu keeps changing from day to day, and it gives a feeling of being at home.